What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have a phone mount, 360 degrees rotating. I got this from Temu. Of course, it's a fun website. I bought this thing for $2.67. I don't think you're gonna find a phone mount on Amazon for $2, you guys, let alone $3. This is something fun. And here we go. Now the way this goes, it should fit on your dash. So this is a very strong spring, you guys. Alright, so y'all see how that is right there. I like that. I actually like that, really. When the squeeze here opens up. I know some of y'all have like a super big phone, and I can't speak for y'all with the ones with the wide phone. If you try to open it up, I actually like the spring that they got on here for now, until we take it out into the car, into the real world. We are about to finalize the review of this phone holder, and I want to say that now my dash only have like this part that has the indent. The rest is like flush. I could put this on and it is good to go. It will take a lot to actually do anything with this. Now, as I put my phone on, I don't know if some of y'all will actually leave your phone right there while you're driving. Now that's up to you. Of course, some people have their phone on the corner, but I think it's good right there. Everything seems fine, easy to turn, and that's about it. So this is not bad for $3, you guys. Not bad at all. Alright, you guys, I had to show y'all this real quick. I know the truck has a nice indent going across as far as the depth when it comes to holding the holder, and it goes all the way. So once again, make sure you get this for your car if it's applicable. Alright, so we're gonna put it on here, and fits very nice. So if you're a passenger, or if you are a passenger and you want to bring your own phone holder, I think this will be nice. You won't be destroying your friend's car, your family member car. Right now I'm in the passenger seat and I have my own holder. I don't have to hold my phone. You know, most of the time you're holding your phone, but if you are on the road and you don't want to hold your phone, you can get a holder right here. Alright, so if you are in the driver's seat, your wife is driving or your husband driving, whoever's driving, and you don't feel like holding your phone for a 12-hour car drive or 5-hour car drive, then this will be perfect. You can sit in the passenger seat, very nice and comfortable. Once again, this is my truck, so make sure whatever car you have a nice indent to it, so you won't be wasting your money trying to buy this thing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.